Another effect that I really like are the radial and linear wipes. So the radial wipe is this sort of pie cut, sort of circular animation. And you can see 7% of Americans think the moon landing was fake. And I just looked that up online, so I have no clue if that's true or not. But to apply either the radial or linear wipe, it's pretty easy. Let's actually just turn off our moon icon. Then I've brought in our moon, so let me place it on top. Let's make it a little bit smaller, covering our text like so. Now in our effects and presets, if we just search for radial, you'll see lots of different radial things. There's some presets. So if we want a preset, you can just take this radial wipe bottom preset. You can see what that does, but that doesn't look so good. So what we're going to do is use our transition radial wipe. So under the transition menu, apply that. So let me just delete this top moon actually. Up in our effects controls, you can see the completion percentage. So here you can animate the completion percentage. Say we want it to go from 0% complete to, we're going to go to 93, because if we want to show that 7%, that's a 7% pie wedge right there. That's what we'd want to do. We can add feathering to this. So as it animates off, we have a little bit of feathering if you like that. You can change the wipe from clockwise to counterclockwise. So that's a quick way to reverse this animation, or both. So we'll kind of split and go around like so. And of course, if we press U, you can see your keyframes. You can make it longer, shorter, add easies, whatever you want. The linear wipe is very, very similar. So here we have this linear wipe wiping on this photo. It's a great way to reveal layers or take layers off of an image. So I've already applied this linear wipe. Let me go ahead and add another one to show you how you animate off. In our effects controls, type in linear. Under transition, take the linear wipe, add it to this layer. So now you see that I have two linear wipes. With the second one, we're going to leave the transition completion at 0 now and set a keyframe, and then go forward in time, set it to 100%. So it goes off, and that works because it animates on for this first linear wipe. I set the angle to 270, which I keyframe, but I don't need to keyframe. So the angle adjusts if it wipes on from the left, from the top, from the right, from the corner, at really whatever angle you want. And for this second one, we want it to be at 90 degrees, and we want to match the feathering. So the feather for the top one is 227. Let's do the same for the second one. So it animates on and animates off. And that's the linear wipe.